make a slime, and that color is
orange!
But before we get started,
we need you guys to smash that like and subscribe button. We'll give you 5 seconds.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So let's get right into orange slime. Let's see our ingredients. All right, this is what we get to pick from. We each get 2 orange glues.
I call the pumpkin. All right, guys, I'm gonna grab these. Oh, the glitters. No, I'm just joking. Paint, the food dye, a clay, little bitty pom-poms, and this. And I'm good.
All right, he took the food dye. Okay, well, I'm gonna use these 2 orange glues. I was gonna use the beads he's using. We're not gonna take a clay. Mr. Pumpkin Man, you're in my way. We're gonna get the beads he has. We're gonna get a paint. Let's get a little glitter. Which one looks good? This one. No, too dark. This one. And I'm actually not gonna get paint. I'm gonna use the food dye he has. That's all, I think.
Actually,
yeah.
I don't want you, Clay.
We'll get these 2.
All right, let's see who can make the better orange slime. Why
are
are
these
these
things
so hard to open? Got it. Oof.
I love these orange glitters. I've never used one before, so. Whoa, that comes out a lot easier. It's orange glitter. Okay, so these 2 bottles of clay, these 2 bottles of glue only equal like how much we use with the white glue. So I thought it'd be a lot more, but it's fine. I don't know. Oh, that was a big squeeze. Can I have the beads, please?
Mix them in now. Okay. You didn't get pom-poms, yes indeed.
I didn't
Yes
need pom-poms.
indeed. You should have got pom-poms.
Pom-poms are annoying.
Pom-pom-pom.
For a challenge, I don't need pom-poms to save the day. So much glitter glue. Glue that has a lot of glitter. Glitter glue. Glitter glue. And the glitter glue. And the glitter one. No, I'm not.
Gosh. I don't want to use that.
You got them, so you have to. Some beads. I love the beads. I got them because I want crunchy slime. I don't think it might be that crunchy. We're gonna add a couple more. Oh, I forgot to put this on. Did we get activator? Okay.
No.
Magical paper towel lady, we need an activator.
Yeah, just rub it off. Uh-oh. Oh, no.
I wish I didn't get unicorn skin, it pokes.
You got it.
You got,
Yeah, I did get,
the beads, yeah. I need a paper towel. I need to get a paper towel, like, wiped off some of the activator I actually needed, so I'm gonna do the same thing and act like, and then when I can wipe that.
and I'm like,
We're gonna act like, whoa, it's almost done. The beads make a texture. What are you doing? Like, jingle bells make ring longs. What? That's what I heard.
jingle bells make ring longs, jingle bells make ring longs.
I can't activate. Can you have some activate?
Never. No.
vinegar.
You are vinegar.
Oh!
Yeah, I said it.
You wouldn't dare. I'm activating, kind of. And it's working out so good. Like,
I need activator. Oh, my fingers are orange. I'm just a man with orange fingers. Did he just get activator?
This is a mess. It's like pumpkin guts.
Ew. I know you did that just to make me annoyed. What? I thought you did something. I obviously saw you go.
Yeah. Jingle bells make ring ones. Wow. I think I went with my hands way too early. So I'm not gonna move with my hands anymore.
You gonna move with your hands?
Jingle bells make ring bells. You gotta add your beads.
I'm mixing this in though.
It's just gonna fall out. And you see it activate, so you might over-activate, and then it'll fall out, and it won't be good, and then
What? Ooh.
mine's good. I kind of wish I got clay.
Me too.
You got clay, and then you threw it back.
Did it still count?
No, you said I don't want you clay. Put it in the replay.
I don't want you, Clay.
Ew, I don't want you, Clay.
Yeah.
I got activator beads.
Comment down below where the glue bottles went. I found them.
Riley!
That was yours.
Riley!
That was yours. You're even
No,
making the
it
face like it was
wasn't.
mine.
Wasn't.
Oh, yeah.
I wish I got pom-poms. My area is getting a little bit of a makeover. As well as this beautiful slime with that fuzz balls. Yes. Woo. That's just gonna be a mess because they're gonna fall out and you're gonna be like,
Oh, it feels so good.
I need to like swirl this so I can make it crunch. Ready? Add some food dye to make this one darker because I'm gonna do a. Sorry, smoothie. And I'm gonna make a dark orange and a light orange. And I like the light orange, but dark orange is good. Do you notice how even the magical liquid bottles are orange? We're adding orange ingredients. We're gonna get ready for our presentation once I have my food dye.
Here is my beautiful slime. And I think it's quite lovely. But it's got a really nice poke. It's got a really nice stretch. It's really nice.
Alright guys, so here's mine. I did a little bit of slime smoothie. You can't really tell because it's orange and orange. But I'm gonna name it Cheese Planet because it's like the orange cheese, you know?
I'm naming mine Cheeto.
I hate when people put their thumbs when they talk, but I'm gonna do it. And then I need crunch. Pretty good. And then the poke, or the click. Very nice. And then one last swirl, because I did like a blob.
Yeah.
There it is.
We'll pretend you didn't elbow me.
Okay, maybe I did, but no need to know that.
Alright guys, we are out. We hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Don't forget we post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.
I hope you guys really liked this video.
Aren't you glad we did it? I'm cheesy. Like my slime! Oh!
My slime's beautiful. It's a Cheeto.
Okay, bye,
Bye,
slime
slime. Bye.